is cooking in our this lovely pot today. Today our iftar meal is a benachin, aka jollof rice, and it's cooking so nicely well here. And if you want to know how we put all of that together, please keep on watching so that you know how we do with this white benachin, and it's smelling so good. In the meantime, let's get started. Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's kitchen. So still on this Ramadan preparation, guys, we've got you white benachin with chicken, aka jollof rice with chicken, because the kids wanted some rice today. They're like, mommy, we're having salads and sauces and all them other stuff since Ramadan began. Now we want some rice. You know, we all know Gambians with rice anyway. So we've got that here, and it's gonna be a very simple and quick and plain benachin today. So we've got all these ingredients to go in it. We've got chicken here. We're going to use a whole chicken, and it's already all nicely clean. And then I put a bit of lemon juice and vinegar in it with some salt to season it a little bit. And we've got some garlic, small chili, green chilies, and then Scotch bonnet chilies and green pepper with some parsley that we're going to blend all together to be our knockers for our this benachin. So we've got some Onga chicken ones here, and we've got one lime here that we're going to use in this benachin. Also, we've got some Scotch bonnet chili peppers that we will add in the tumbal. You know, it's going to be floating up in the benachin. And we've got one yellow bell pepper here with some onions and some bay leaves. The onion and the bell pepper, I will use one of the onion and the bell pepper and make a sauce for the benachin. And then the other 3 onions, I will be blending them. So we've got some geja and some yet here, some snail and dry fish. I like to put geja and yet in all my benachins, whether it's a fish benachin, chicken or meat benachin. I like to put it. Some people don't like to put it, but it's all okay. If you like to add it just like me, you're welcome to do it. It tastes very nice. Also, we've got some pepper and salt here. All this will go along with our this benachin cooking today. It's going to be basic and quick, okay guys? And we will show you how we will do all of that as we get on with it. Okay. So I've got a Dijon mustard here. I'm just going to add that much of it, 1 tablespoon. I like to season my chicken a little bit because chicken needs seasoning. That makes it more tasty. I'm going to mix it with my clean hands, okay? Make sure all the marinade goes in the chicken. I'm thinking of putting the chicken in the oven, and I'm also thinking of frying it. So, but we will see. Put some lines in the legs and on the body so that the marinade can go in the chicken. Okay, right, so let's wash our hand. So we're going to set that aside for about 10 minutes, and then we will be moving on to blend the knockers bit. So guys, after some thinking about what I will do with the chicken, I decided to half and half it. So I'm going to halfly fry it, and then I will take it out and then put it in the oven for a little bit, okay? And also I've blended the seasonings, the green stuffs, the parsley, the garlic and the peppers. I'm going to put some in the chicken to rough it. So we just put some in the chicken there. is ready. Remember I said I'm not going to fry it too long. Then I'll put it back in the same container where I marinate the chicken, and it's going in the oven. So now we're going to add our blended onion. We didn't clean the blender. We leave the knuckles that we blend earlier. We left that in the blender. Then we blend our onions in it. I'm going to put that in straight. Okay, so we fry this. Okay, so we're going to leave this to fry for a bit. So guys, now we're going to move on to our onion sauce. We're only going to do 1 onion for this onion sauce. We don't want to do too much. Like I always say, in Ramadan, you don't need to be cooking too much. You can just cook small amount and then gradually cook as you go, because we don't want to be wasting so much food, you know, because when you're fasting you want to eat everything, but then when you break your fast you cannot eat everything, so in the end it becomes a waste. So we don't want to do that. Together. I'm gonna also add 1 tablespoon of the green knuckles and then mix all of that together. So we'll set that aside and it will be ready for frying later. Okay, so guys, as you can see, our onion is frying here. It's frying, it's getting so golden. That's what we want it to be. So at this point, we are going to go on and add our dry fish in and our yates, the sefo. Me, that's how I do it. I always add it later on. Some people will fry them first before they add. put a clean feel over it. The steam is what cooks benachin, okay? All around. And I'm going to put another one on. At this moment we need the steam to cook it. So this is what you do. Right. And then I put the gas down and put the lid back on. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. And this will take us for about half an hour or so. Okay guys? Have to do it like this so that they will go for it, because if not, it's so very hard to make kids eat vegetables. So sometimes this is how I do it. I just cut some up and then put it on the plate so that they cannot escape. They're gonna be like, oh mommy, I don't want any. I'm like, no, you're gonna have it. You have to have it. It's already on the plate. So this is how I do it, and this not many there, but it's very healthy and it's looking good. Sorry guys, my hands are clean. Okay, so okay guys, that's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. I hope you enjoy watching it while we make it for you. If you do, you know what to do, my people. Just put your thumbs up to like, and if you're new to our channel, don't you forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on contents. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy watching what we did in the kitchen today. Thank you all so much for watching. Come for Iftar. Until we come on your way again soon. Goodbye.